In today's video, we'll discuss how to fix the Maytag dryer error code F4E1. First, let's understand what this error code means. The F4E1 error code indicates a problem with the heater or heater relay. Some common causes for this error include faulty wiring connections in the heating system, a malfunctioning electronic board, or voltage fluctuations. To address this issue, start by inspecting the electronic wiring connections. Unplug the dryer from the socket and remove the covering panels to access the electronic heating system. Test the heating system for continuity and check for loose or damaged electronic wire connections. Replace any damaged parts with new ones and tighten any loose wires. Reassemble the parts and power up your dryer. If the issue persists, check the electronic control board. Disconnect the dryer from the power outlet and remove the top or front panel to access the electronic control board. Test the unit for continuity, and if it is damaged, replace it with a new one. Inspect the elements of the electronic control board for any signs of damage and replace damaged components. Reassemble the dryer and restore power to it. Another potential cause could be the power voltage supply. Test the power voltage supply from the main circuit board and adjust the voltage accordingly. Consider using a voltage regulator to ensure a consistent voltage supply to the appliance. If the dryer is still not functioning properly after these steps, it may be time to contact a professional repair service for further guidance. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.